The Yobe Books and Art Festival, Yobefest, and Literary Personality Award LPA 2021, which is first of its kind, was organized by Yobe Literary Society in collaboration with its different partners. Speaking at the occasion, the Executive Director, Yobe State Council for Arts and Culture, Alhaji Madu Bukar, describes the festival as timely, saying it will go a long way in the promotion of literature and preservation of our cultural heritage. He advises youth to imbibe the culture of reading, which he describes as significant to their educational life, lamenting on how the reading culture is unheeded nowadays.
Also in the sense that this is an event which will dwell on the promotion of arts and culture. Before hosting this event, the organizers have visited me more than 2 or 3 times, and have suggested a lot which I have seen it practically now.
In their separate remarks, the chairman, Pika Local Government Council, Hajia Halima Kyari Joda, State House of Assembly member representing Potiskum Central, Honorable Abdullahi Adamu Bazwa, and wife of the Emir of Pika, Hajia Hadiza Ahmad Gimba, commend the Yobe Literary Society for organizing the festival, urging them to keep the tempo. They also call on youths in the state to emulate this kind of activity that facilitates preservation of culture, development of cultural literature, and peace building, assuring to render the necessary support to cultural resuscitation.
It looks into various culture and brought them out together. So this shows that united we stand. And our teeming youths of nowadays, we are very proud of them.
They are giving out their experience, their knowledge for their class to grow, which is our own internal interest, not to support them in the areas of life.
The enthusiasm in them, to unite from all corners of the nation, or I can say the northern Nigeria, to come together and present something like this, something first of its kind.
Speaking earlier, the chairman, Yobe Literary Society, Barrister Suleiman Hassan Gimba, says the motive behind introducing the Yobefest is to provide an intellectual, diverse and critical perspectives, as well as academic focus on visual culture and societal issues to entertain the general public, protect and conserve cultural heritage and values.
Africa has a way of training the child that you don't have to show him physically, but we have oral tradition. So you show that by way of mouth from one generation to the other through African folktales. We have stories of Jesus the Kogi and other things. And then through those stories you see the way of life, the good and the bad will be brought out and spelled to the child openly.
He says in this regard, they collaborate with cultural groups to train people to write in local languages. According to him, they deliberately changed the name of the festival from Yobe Books and Art Festival to Yobe Peace and Arts Festival due to the need for peace campaign following the period of insurgency. The occasion witnessed launching of the book Essential Guide to Writing in the 21st Century, written by Suleiman Hassan Gimba, Abdullahi Muhammad Abdul Fattah, Hassana Ibrahim Al-Kali, and Aisha Umar Gimba, and The Howls on the Highway to Hell, written by Suleiman Hassan Gimba. The occasion also features presentation of awards by the Literary Society to Alhaji Nasiru Matu, Alhaji Madu Bukar, Dr. Mamman Muhammad, Hajia Halima Kyari Joda, Hajia Hadiza Ahmad Gimba, Professor Muhammad Dauda, Alhaji Baba Shehu, and Dr. Muhammad Goje respectively. For YTV News, Abdul Aziz Muhammad Shehu reporting.